Mathematicians, I love to draw. Do you? Well, sometimes I need help in finding the different kinds of markers that I like, so I have to kind of describe them to my friends so they can help me find them. And when we describe them, that's when we look at different things about the object and their attributes. That's a big word. Can you say it? Attributes. Yeah. So this Sharpie, I would say, oh, this is a brown Sharpie and it's like got a fine point to it. It's not my light brown one, but it's my dark brown one. Did you see how I did that? I was sharing the attributes of my marker. And then sometimes I like more than one. And I like them for different things. Do you? Like I love a Sharpie that's pointed like this to sometimes make notes for people to see them clearly. And I like this kind of marker to like color with. And so for this one, I might say the attributes or like the ways I can describe it would be, oh, this is a Crayola marker and it's blue. It's the royal blue one, not the baby blue one, right? So it's like darker. So did you see what we did there? We took a look at the attributes of my markers. I like this one for some coloring. I like this one more for some writing. Well, today that's what we're going to talk about, but we're not just going to talk about noticing the attributes or the things about something, but we're also going to sort objects based on those attributes, based on the things that are same or different about things. Let me show you what I mean. At my house, we have a lot of shoes because there's a lot of people in my house. Look at this. Does your family sometimes say to you, pick up those shoes and put them away? I say that a lot at my house. Well, sometimes it's kind of fun to sort out the shoes. Now, sometimes I sort them by person. But today, we're going to sort them by how they're alike or they're same and different. All right, they're attributes. So I was thinking maybe I should sort them on ones that I might do some running or exercise in and ones that you probably wouldn't. So I'm going to put them in two groups. So can you think about it for a minute? How you would sort them? How you would put them in two groups. Ones that I would exercise in, maybe run or play, and ones that maybe I wouldn't play in. Yeah. Did you do it like this? This is how I did it because these two are more like running or play shoes, and all of these don't seem like they'd be quite as easy to run in. Because like, look, these kind of look a little dressier. These look like they would be great to maybe go to the beach in. And these look a little dressier too. Do you see what I've done here? I sorted them based off of an attribute I was looking for. These are shoes that would be good to run in or exercise in, and these would not. Now, that is my opinion. You may want to argue that with me. But when I sorted, I had a reason for sorting them this way. Well, I'm thinking I want to sort them a different way. Maybe I want to sort them tie shoes and not tie shoes. Do you see how I've chosen how I'm going to sort them? And I'm able to tell you how I'm sorting them? So look at this for a minute yourself and think, which shoes would go in which groups? I'm going to use my sorting mat again because I think it's going to be easier to organize my thinking. So let's take a look. Did you notice too on my sorting mat that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas, but I'm just using 2 because I'm just sorting into 2 groups because my choice for sorting today on this mat was those that are tie shoes and those that are not. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4 tie shoes. They all have ties. And 1, 2, 3, 4 not tie shoes. Interesting. Did you see what I did there? I told you what my rule was. Tie shoes, not tie shoes. And then we sorted them. Sometimes you really have to study carefully to think how you might want to sort something, right? Because before, we had all of the shoes together, and then we wanted to sort them by ones you could exercise in and ones that you wouldn't. And then I made the decision for the rule of sorting to be tie shoes, not tie shoes. Let's take a look. Notice that we also were noticing what's the same, tie, not tie, and what is different, tie, not tie, right? Well, now let's take a look at this sorting. I want you to think now, what was my rule of sorting this time? Because I've got 3 groups. How are they different, each group? And how are these alike to each other, these alike to each other, and these alike? Can you say out loud what you're thinking? Oh my goodness. That's what I was thinking. It took me a minute, but I think it's sorted by color. Because there's a tie shoe here, a tie shoe here, so it can't be that, a tie shoe here. But if you study it really carefully, these are all gray, these are all brown, and these are all black. Yes. Interesting. You know, also it's kind of fun to see which group is there fewer of. Yeah, there's only 2 brown ones. And which ones are there the same? There's 3 gray and 3 black. Oh my goodness. Well, you know, mathematicians, today you get to do this exact same thing. Today you are going to get to sort some objects, and you get to decide how they're going to be sorted. It may be helpful to have a sorting map similar to mine. And remember what we did here? We looked at the attributes, or things that are the same and different about the shoes in this case. But then we kind of created a rule, right? We were able to tell how we sorted and why. And you'll want to do that too. It's been great spending time with you. Off you go.